Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways for the month of October. It is in the palm of your hands. Greatest Hits Volume 2. I will put a link for that in the description box down below. I just posted my 500 subscriber giveaway as well as other ones as well, so check the description box down below for all the different giveaways I've got going on right now. So today we are unboxing the Sephora Play Box. It's a beauty box that Sephora sends out monthly. It's $10 a month and it's mainly sample sizes. I like it because you get to test out some high-end products and figure out if you really want to spend your money on it or don't. The downside to it is, because most of the time they are sample sizes, every once in a while they will put in a full size. The downside is when it's skincare, you don't really know with just maybe a couple days worth of skincare that's in there, maybe a week, whether this is really doing you any good or not. You can tell obviously if it's irritating your skin by that, but you can't really tell if those key benefits where it says decreased lines and wrinkles, if that's really working or not. You're not going to find that out in a couple days. So that's the one downside to this box. But let's find out what we got. There is a 20% off code that we get this month. It says it's good October 15th through November 30th. This says Joy of Complexion. A drop of this, a dash of that. We're whipping up a recipe for the coverage that you crave. So here's a quick tip. Serve with a side of bronzer and blush for a complete and balanced look. Mist your beauty sponge with a setting spray, then apply foundation with it for extra staying powder. I haven't tried that before. Foundation, not quite your taste. Sub in a tinted moisturizer, which I have on right now. If you want less coverage, or try a multi-purpose BB or CC cream. So step one, to always do the cleanse. Start by cleansing the inner bare face Contessa using a nurturing non-drying cleanser to wash away any dirt, oil, so you can work with fresh skin. I always do a two-step where I take my makeup off with usually a cleansing balm first, and then I go in with a cleanser after that. Step 2, moisturize your skin with a dollop of hydrating face cream so your complexion stays soft, smooth, and glowing all day long, and you keep looking like a snack. I always, make sure to put your serums if you're doing that on before your moisturizer. Step 3, primer. Next, layer on a primer that will help your skin and minimize the look of pores, as well as keep your face looking flawless from breakfast to dessert. Step 4, foundation. Last but not least, add the key ingredient for your dream complexion, foundation. Not sure what kind of formula is perfect for you? Take the Sephora Foundation Finder quiz to find out more. And that talks about all your different products here. Comes in this cute little, basically like a Ziploc sandwich bag. This, I have the full size on, and I love this. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Spray. Keep melting in the kitchen. The setting spray actually lowers the temperature of your makeup to help it stay in place and look vibrant for 16 hours. This stuff is amazing, you guys. How to use. After applying makeup, shake the bottle on that hold 8 to 10 inches away and mist 2 to 4 times in an X and a T movement. This is their award-winning formula. Their bonus this month, it's usually a fragrance, but this time it is by DPHUE, D-P-H-U-E. It is apple cider vinegar hair mask. Well, I know apple cider does wonders for like my gut. I'm excited to use this. I just don't know about the vinegar on my hair. I hope it washes out. The super nourishing mask works for all hair types. Sunflower seed extract protects hair color, while macadamia oil adds shine and moisture. Apply a clementine size amount throughout clean, damp hair from mid-lengths to ends. Let it sit for 5 to 20 minutes, then rinse out. I'm excited to try this. This is something kind of different. Youth to People is a superfood antioxidant cleanser. It's a green juice for your skin. The cleansing gel is formulated with nurturing kale, spinach, and green tea to remove makeup and prevent buildup in pores. You know, it's only about 3/4 of the way full. How to use. There's one simple mission behind this brand's amazing skincare. What you put on your skin should be whole, nutrient-rich, and clean as what you put in your body. I love that. I absolutely love, you know, I think that what you put on the outside of your skin also reflects on what you put on the inside as well, and vice versa. By Tarte, this is itty bitty. Look how tiny this guy is. This is itty bitty. It's a Quench Hydrating Primer, Rainforest of the Sea collection. The gripping primer ensures your look isn't just a flash in the pan. The formula helps makeup stay and nurtures skin with antioxidants and probiotics. How to use. Apply a pea-sized amount in a thin layer on a clean, moisturized skin before applying your makeup. From Origins, I have like some Origins stuff, is the Dr. Andrew Weil for Origins Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. It's ideal for those times when your skin needs to simmer down. The light calming lotion uses a mushroom-infused formula to reduce the look of redness. How to use. Shake the bottle to activate the ingredients. Pour a grape-sized amount into the palm. Use fingertips to apply clean skin and follow with the rest of your routine. I love that, you know, talk about calming it down. Face isn't too bad. It normally doesn't get like too out of control red and crazy. By Shiseido, what do you guys think of them buying out Drunk Elephant? And here's my question for you. Drunk Elephant's always been cruelty-free. Shiseido is not. So now that Shiseido owns Drunk Elephant, they say that they're gonna still remain cruelty-free, but their parent company is not. So would you, as a consumer, consider Drunk Elephant now cruelty-free or not? That's my question to you guys. Let me know in the comments down below. This is the WASO Clear Mega-Hydrating Moisturizer. The secret ingredient is clear gel carrots. It's formulated with whole carrot cells that deliver hydration for healthy looking skin. How to use. Smooth 2 pea-sized drops onto the skin into a last step in your routine morning and night. Tip, because it's clear, you can also use it throughout the day over makeup as needed. So what were your guys' favorite products? I think my 2 favorite ones, I always love this. I use it all the time, and I'm excited to try this out. You know how it talks about being all natural and everything, the Youth to People Superfood Antioxidant Cleanser. I'm excited to try this one. What were your favorites? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does mean a lot when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.